From barnyard to spotlight, meet your new favorite farm crew. You won't believe how adorable the last one is. Number 1. Meet our first star, a tiny horse with a big heart. Next up, a sweet little piglet, full of playful charm and farmyard love. Number 3. Here's our gentle calf, soft, curious, and full of farmyard wonder. And finally, the sweetest lamb, pure innocence, wrapped in fluffy cuddles. If the last one made you smile, don't forget to like and subscribe for more adorable moments.